y'all doing? I'm Big Al and welcome to the garage. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Also, do not forget that I have my Gmail address, bigalsgaragesc@gmail.com. Send me your project car photos. I'd love to see them and feature them in my videos. Now, a couple weeks ago, I went to a car meet, filmed it, just never got around to editing the video. It was the one that I alluded to in my video about breaking the Corvair and having to redo the valves. So, here is the video I shot at that meet. It's not very long. Stick around to the end of the video if you want to see the excessive revving that caused me to have to fix the valves in the Corvair.
For a race. Okay, well,
Hey,
that's
so
a
we
bad
have this
idea.
Dodge Charger.
Alright, here, bro.
We have this beautiful Mustang GT, or at least it was beautiful until my son detailed it. Yeah. Got this nice looking Hemi Charger. This Dodge Dart. And this beautiful square body F-150. One of the coolest cars here so far is this Chevy Caprice Police Edition. Of course, my Corvair, the only air-cooled vehicle and the oldest one here. It was a 90 Civic, just like my father had, only not this cool. We have this really nice BMW. M6. We have this Ford Focus. Another Ford Focus over here. Civic. Got this nice Fox body. And we have this beautiful square body. Look at that. Beautiful. Short bed, matte black paint job. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful build. We have this lifted Dodge. We have this Lexus over here that we're going to check out. Totally copyrighted music.
Give it a rev. Couple good ones.